here. Cough is a protective mechanism to expel the secretion and foreign bodies outside the respiratory tract. Okay, we have two types of cough. Dry, that's treated by antitussives. Protective, that's treated by expectorant and or just knowing the definition and examples, just that. Peripheral antitussives. First, stop smoking. Then you can give either licorice, which is act as pharyngeal demulcent to form a protective coat on the pharyngeal mucosa. Another example of peripheral antitussive, tincture of benzoin Co, benzonatate. You must know the name and the mechanism of action. Benzonatate acts centrally and peripheral. It is mainly peripheral but acts also as a central cough suppressant. While what about central antitussive? So we have here the peripheral, stop smoking, licorice, tincture of benzoin Co, benzonatate. Central antitussives, either narcotic, which produce narcosis or stupor, drowsiness, because they act centrally and included the cough center, suppress the cough center. Morphine, not used because it is highly additive, and you took morphine and opioid had been explained to you earlier. Methadone, less additive, codeine. It is a famous antitussive, dihydrocodeine. Non-narcotic, either from opiate derivatives come from the plant opium as narcotic, but they are not narcotic, they are non-narcotic. Dextromethorphan is a famous antitussive. Nicotine or noscapine, their name is very important to know them. Non-opioid derivatives, benzonatate, as I mentioned before, benzonatate acts centrally peripheral. The antihistaminic, okay, that's enough. The other, I think, not present in your reference book, so leave them. Here, what about mucolytic antitussives? We have explained them. They suppress the cough. Mucolytic, it is an agent dissolve the thick mucus by dissolving various chemical bonds within the secretions. Liquefy mucus secretion. You must know the definition, and you must differentiate between antitussive and mucolytic. But they are not expectorant. They help the action of expectorant. Okay? Here, examples of mucolytic: promyxin, the name is very important, and Ambroxol, which is a metabolite of promyxin, carboxymethylcysteine, and acetylcysteine. What about expectorant? They works by signaling the body to increasing the amount of secretion. So they are different than mucolytic. For example, we have sedative expectorant and stimulant expectorant. You must know an example of sedative expectorant and why they are called so. They are either alkaline, nauseant, saline expectorant. And the example, you must know it by heart. Stimulant expectorant, they stimulate the healing of chronic inflamed mucosa. Okay? Guaiacol, used in chronic productive cough. What about the most important issue here is bronchial asthma. Bronchial asthma is the common chronic inflammatory disease of the airway characterized by variable and recurring symptoms and reversible airflow obstruction and bronchospasm. Causes of bronchial asthma: exposure to various allergic substances and irritants can trigger signs and symptoms of bronchial asthma. Clinical picture: shortness of breath، مش قادر تاخد النفس، في حاجة كاتمة على الصدر، chest tightness، مش قادر تنام، كل ده بالليل. whistling و wheezing، بتلاقي ايه صدرك بيصفر، خصوصا ايه في الزفير مش الشهيق. coughing or wheezing attacks that are طبعا ايه بيجيلك اتاك بقى، مش تلاقي دي في الطبيعي في الحاجة يعني وانت ماشي تحس بالحاجات، لكن اثناءها بقى ممكن يجيلك اتاك انك ايه مش قادر تاخد نفسك خالص وممكن ايه تموت تروح فيها، خصوصا لو جالك ايه دور. الثيرابي ايضا برونكو دايليتور لازم نعرفها باي هارت، بيتا 2 اجونست بانواعها سواء سيلكتيف او نون سيلكتيف، ماسكينيك انتاجونست سواء سيلكتيف او نون سيلكتيف، طبعا دول سيلكتيف، ام 3 بلوكر، بسالزنسين وليكوترايين، يبقى دول ايه اسمهم ايه برونكو دايليتور. لازم تكون معانا. طب البروفلاكتيك ايجنت اللي هم الانتي انفلاماتوري، ما هماش بقى برونكو دايليتور، اللي فاتوا برونكو دايليتور لازم يستخدموا في الاتاك. عندنا انتي انفلاماتوري اللي هو بيستخدموا بيتوين ذا اتاك، ندوكروميل، دول ايه ماست سيل ستابيلايزر، لان الازمه فيها هناك دور للايه زي ما خدنا في الباثولوجي ان في انتي بودي رياكشن وريليز الهستامين واذر ميدياتورز.